Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be painting this little flower arrangement with peonies, lavender, and a succulent. All the products I'm using will be linked down in the description box below if you would like to check them out. I'm starting with Winsor & Newton Opera Rose and creating the base of my first peony. Peonies are really full and rounded, and I like to imagine a ball is sitting in the center and then all the petals kind of curve up and around the ball. My next peony is going to be forward facing, so I'm creating this kind of lumpy circle. Next, I'm going to paint the succulent. In the center of the succulent, the leaves are pointing upward, so you don't really see their shape until about the third layer, and then I started creating that pointier shape. Now I'm adding in my lavender. To paint lavender, I'm just adding these dashed brush strokes, and then I'll go back in and add the stem once these have dried a little bit. Next, I'm adding in some leaves and then adding in the stems of my lavender. I thought the center of this arrangement looked a little too empty, so I went ahead and added some dots to look like lavender was tucked into the center. Now I'm going in and adding centers of my peonies with this light yellow color, and then darkening the side of my first peony with another layer of opera rose. Next, I'm adding another layer of this peachy pink to my second peony. To finish this off, I'm adding another layer to these top leaves just to darken them up a bit, and then I added another leaf and darkened the center of my succulent. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. I post a new watercolor tutorial every Wednesday. I also wanted to let you guys know about my free 21-day watercolor challenge. It's 21 days of watercolor techniques, warm-ups, and color mixing videos delivered right to your inbox. To sign up for the challenge, check out the link in my description box. Thanks again for watching. Bye!